How does per Stirpes versus per capita affect children's inheritance? Imagine you are planning your estate and want to make sure your children and grandchildren get what you intend. Understanding how inheritance laws work can make a big difference. Today, we're talking about two common ways estates are divided: per Stirpes and per capita. These terms might sound fancy, but they are simple once you get the hang of them. They determine how your assets are split if a beneficiary, like a child, passes away before you do. Knowing the difference helps you plan better and avoid surprises. Per Stirpes means by branch in Latin. It ensures that if a child dies before you, their share of the inheritance goes down to their children, your grandchildren. For example, if you leave 1/3 of your estate to 3 children and one child dies, leaving 2 children, that child's 1/3 share is divided equally between their children. So, the grandchildren inherit their parents' part. This way, each family branch keeps its share intact, and no part of the inheritance is lost or redistributed to other branches. Per capita means by the head in Latin. It divides the estate equally among all surviving beneficiaries at the same level. If one child predeceases you, their share does not automatically go to their children. Instead, the estate is split among the surviving children. If all children are gone, then the grandchildren inherit, but only if they are explicitly named. For example, if you have 3 children and one dies, leaving 2 children, the estate is split equally between the 2 surviving children. The grandchildren of the deceased child only inherit if the estate plan specifically states so. The main difference is that per Stirpes protects the inheritance rights of grandchildren by passing down their parents' share. Per capita, on the other hand, favors distributing assets only among the living of the same generation. If you want to make sure your grandchildren inherit even if their parent has died, choosing per Stirpes is usually the better option. It keeps the inheritance within each family line, which many people prefer for fairness. Estate planning documents like wills and trusts should clearly specify which method you want. If you do not specify, state laws might apply a default rule that may not match your wishes. Consulting with an estate planning attorney can help you decide the best approach for your family. This choice impacts how your children and grandchildren receive their inheritance and can help prevent family disputes later on. Remember, understanding these laws helps you make smarter decisions about your estate and your loved ones' futures.